Hey everyone, welcome back to the Synistr Garage. I'm Big Chad. I'm going to be building a small portable welding table with a piece of 3/16 plate on the top so I can do fab on small stuff. So let's jump out to the shop and let's get rolling on it. So as you can see, I've got the table finished. Turned out pretty nice. Put some pipes on the corner like I was talking about here. You can see to hang the gun in when you're finished welding. I put some casters on it that have brakes on them, so I can move it around the shop easily. And when I get it where I want it, it's easy just to step on these casters. It rolls really easily also. See, it can move it pretty easy with one hand. This has turned out well. It was a fun project to do. It only took a total of probably 6 hours to build. Really appreciate everyone that's subscribing to the channel. If you haven't yet, please do. I'm Big Chad.